Arrive in style with this Buick 2016 LaCrosse Leather. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth-shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include Driver Confidence Package Number 1, Experience Buick Package, Leather 1 SL, 7 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, Bose Centerpoint Premium 11-speaker surround sound, CD player, MP3 decoder and premium 7-speaker audio system feature. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.